So yesterday we have discussed on a very important topic. What we have discussed, that concentrate on the positives, concentrate on the success which you are getting towards doing anything, and ignore failures. Right? Today I want to discuss about you that what is the importance of continuous practice. Continuous practice, mind you guys. So, say suppose you have started a work. Hmm? So, once you have got failure, second time you have again got failure, third time again you have got failure. You are getting failure, and you are feeling completely depressed. What to do? I am again and again doing this task, but I am failing. One thing we have to remember, guys, we have to concentrate and wait for that moment, one victory. So, initially, what will happen after 10 days, you will get one victory. If you have got that one victory, write it down somewhere. Always remember, always focus on that. Once again, take efforts. Over a period of time, once again, you will find another victory. And mind you guys, over a period of time, you will find that your numbers of victories is going up and failures is coming down. That is the moment, friends, we are waiting for. But that moment will always come and only come when we are putting efforts on daily basis, not waiting and not seeing for the perfectionism to happen. Even if things are not perfect, let's go into it, right? I'm sure that you can also see that I'm not using a great cinematographic effects in my videos, because I don't want it to be perfect. I'm absolutely okay with imperfect, because the points which I'm sharing with you is having a lot of juicy contents. I'm sure it is really helping you all, guys. Thank you so much for attending the day 2, and please keep listening to my videos this week. Thank you so much. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share my videos. Thank you so much.